Ginger and bay leaves. They serve as stalwarts in the realm of culinary arts. Ginger, a root commonly grown in warm climates, boasts more than its pungent aroma and spicy kick. Possessing anti-inflammatory properties, it often gets recommended for alleviating nausea. You'll find it frequently in teas, sweets, and traditional Asian dishes. It aids digestion too, not to mention its role as an immune system booster. Bay leaves, on the other hand, contribute an aroma that's both unique and enigmatic, originating from the bay laurel tree. These leaves enhance the flavors of stews, soups, and even some desserts. But beyond the kitchen, bay leaves serve as more than just a seasoning agent. They're rich in essential oils like eugenol, which lends itself to antiseptic qualities. Add to that the leaves' antioxidants, and you'll understand why some folks employ them in treating ailments like high blood sugar. A cool thing, you can craft a bay leaf tea too for respiratory relief.